Hi there, Zamir from NerdTube. So, there's this video of this amazing chase with this policeman is going after this couple on motorcycles in a city within Brazil on their streets. Absolutely amazing to watch, and I want to share this with you. Let's go. Like the near misses alone by the pursuer and the person being pursued is quite remarkable. Okay, he just rode through those bollards like they weren't there. Look at that. Oh my god, look how close he was. And he's got his girlfriend's life in his hands as well, by the way. I mean, she must be shitting herself holding on to him for dear fucking life. Look at that, man. Obstacles everywhere. It's like a fucking video game. Oh my goodness, the weaving. Look at the ass flying in the air. Oh my god. Oh my god, the ass flying again. A doinky doink. Uh oh, here we go, here we go. More video game shenanigans. Amazing. How is this real? Oh my god, the weaving. Oh my god, look at that. Oh. Pedal to the metal, baby. Oh. Oh my god, the near misses. If this was like fucking Need for Speed right now, both the criminal and the cop, their marks would be through the fucking roof. But you know when you are like playing GTA and shit like that, and you're trying to get rid of the cop chasing you, that's what's going on right now. I give this cop a lot of credit, man. He is relentless. Wow. I have a feeling that maybe this cyclist is trying to get more into town. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh look at that! They're both had a chance to look behind themselves. Oh man, it's amazing. At least they're wearing helmets. Oh my god! Oh my god! And look! Oh, the maneuvers are like world class from both of them. More about CS. Wow. Just keep going. A long ass exhilarating chase. He's looking behind him. I give this guy credit. He's able to like keep going forward and he's keeping an eye on the guy behind him. But they look like they're getting into some more urban areas now. Oh, look at the people there and everything. Oh my god. Getting into the favelas now. Oh boy, look at these tight ass corridors. Oh, I thought you lost him there for a second. And they finally crashed. Wasn't that amazing? Wasn't that fucking amazing? Oh god. That was one hell of a chase. I've seen a lot of like police chases in the past when I used to give a shit about that sort of stuff back in the day. And I haven't really watched stuff like that more recently, but this came to my attention and I decided to give it a go. And this, without doubt, is the best. I mean, being on motorcycles, of course, they're able to maneuver around the smaller gaps a lot more, so you get a lot more edge of your seat moments. If this was a car chase, it would have ended a long time ago. But being on motorcycles, going the speed that they're at, going through the gaps they're going through, the corridors and everything, avoiding things, superb. Credit to the people being chased and credit to the chaser that he kept up with them the whole fucking time. Remarkable stuff. Give this policeman a goddamn raise. Anyway, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to NerdTube, the greatest YouTube channel you never heard of, as well as TikTok, of course. Take care now. Bye bye.